Hi, it's me, Shane, again from Dekiru English Academy with another slideshow with a new color. So another Don't Confuse These Words episode. Today, I don't want you to confuse the endings ed and ing. With adjectives, an ed ending talks about your feeling. How do you feel? If the adjective ends in ing, that's the reason. Why do you feel like that? For example, look at them. How are they? They are excited. Why are they excited? Well, they're on a roller coaster, and the roller coaster is exciting. How is he? He's bored. Why? Well, look at that. The teacher is boring. How is he? He's confused. Hey, that's the same guy from the beginning. Why? Well, do you admit, not denying, that you don't understand what this says? He's confused because this English is confusing. Yeah, that's very hard English. How is he? He is surprised. Or he is shocked. Why? It is surprising. It is shocking. What? They're not going to tell us. Oh well. Okay, anyway, something is surprising or shocking. Look at him. He is embarrassed. Yeah, this is really embarrassing. No pants? Embarrassing. How is he? He's tired. Why? Digging is tiring. He dug a hole. That's very tiring. So he is tired. And there's nothing here. Oh, here he is. Ooh, how is he? He is scared. Why? Oh, well, he must be really scared. Why? I see. Because the ghost is scary. Okay, this is different. ing. This isn't scared and scary with a Y, not ing. Okay, that's a special one. So, okay, so here's a list of what we've done. Excited, exciting. I am excited. It is exciting. Okay, bored, ed, boring, ing, and all the ones. And there's many words like this. How are you and why? So like amazed, amazing, annoyed, annoying, charmed, charming, disappointed, disappointing, energized, energizing, entertain, entertaining. I'm tired. Interested, interesting, moved, moving, relaxed, relaxing, insulted, insulting. Many, many words like this. Okay, so your feelings end with ed. And why? ing. Okay, is this a short one? Well, a short and easy English lesson for you. Thanks for listening. I'm Shane from Dekiru English Academy, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.